Sarma Enterprises Ltd was started in 1996. It is located along Komarok Road, directly opposite Juja Road of Kariobangi roundabout near Nairobi River Bridge in Kariobangi South. Sarma Enterprises Ltd is a fully registered company and is also fully VAT compliant. Sarma Enterprises Ltd principal objective is to provide high-quality building materials at wholesale prices. With time, the company has grown to be a reputable and competitive wholesaler of all building materials, be it timber, timber products, sand, ballast, building stones, among others. Our core values. We value our clients. We are an equal opportunity organization and therefore we discourage discrimination based on gender, political, ethnic background or religious affiliation. We strive to enhance integrity, honesty and good governance in business practices. We value teamwork and hard work. At Sarma Enterprises Ltd, we emphasize on professionalism in handling all our clients. To achieve this, Sarma has a qualified and dedicated team in management, marketing, sales and customer care. We have talented and fully qualified personnel handling all issues regarding our customers. Among other things, they make sure all inquiries through emails, orders and quotation requests from our customers are attended to promptly. Since all our customer care team are IT compliant, the turnaround time is very minimal. The team well understands that efficiency is not a choice but mandatory. At Sarma Enterprises Ltd, we offer the following services: carpentry and jointry. This includes but not limited to doors and door frames, timber splitting and sewing, molding, for example T&G products among others, planing services, timber processing services, sawdust. This is sold as timber byproduct for various uses, for example poultry rearing, sports and cooking. For any company to grow from one level to the next, investment in modern equipment is a must. For this reason, Sarma Enterprises Ltd has gone out of its way to invest in the most modern equipment to handle any work related to timber processing. Some of this equipment are: spindle molder. A spindle molder is a stationary woodworking machine. As the workpiece is fed into the machine, the cutters mold a profile or decorations into it. These decorations are common on curtain boxes, door frames, picture rails and different types of molds, for example quarter round, among others. Surface planner. Surface planners are used in the initial preparation of wood, producing flat face and edge before passing through a thicknesser. These are precision machines with long tables in order to give accurate straightening. Further, they are used to 1. Produce straight edges on solid timber and manufactured boards, and 2. Clean up saw cuts on solid timber and manufactured boards. The operator sets the depth of cut by adjusting the infeed table. The fence is set according to the width of the stock and the surface being planned and the type of operation being performed. Stock is passed over a cylindrical, multiple knife cutter head while skipping the stock against the table surface or fence. Four-cutter machine. The four-cutter machine offers straightening, surfacing and thicknessing operations in one passway through the machine, saving time and space in comparison to traditional methods. At Sarma Enterprises Ltd, we use this machine to mold everything from fine trim work to timber blocks with outstanding results. The powerful cast iron table is the heart of the machine, guaranteeing vibration-free operation. It is bolted onto a stable steel base with solid foundation support. The bottom cutter, side cutters and integrated feeder tables are set into the cast iron table. The top cutter and feed rollers sit in a separate support that is also integrated into the cast iron table by way of oversized trapezoidal bars. All the settings you need can be found on the same side of the machine, which means that the machine can be set up close to a wall, thereby saving space. There is a separate start, stop and lamp for each cutter and for the feeder unit. The machine is easy to set between processing runs. Resawing machine. Resawing is a very useful skill to have in the woodshop. It's a fundamental type of cut, just like ripping or cross-cutting. But instead of cutting a board to length or width, resawing is cutting a board to thickness. This allows one to get multiple thin boards out of one larger, thicker piece of wood. This can be used to stretch money and materials further or to create interesting effects using patterns in the wood grain. At Sarma Enterprises Ltd, we have the best resawing machines south of Sahara Desert and north of Limpopo River. Circular saw machine. A circular saw is a power saw using a toothed or abrasive disc or blade to cut different materials using a rotary motion spinning around an arbor. Circular saw blades are specially designed for each particular material they are intended to cut, and in cutting wood are specifically designed for making rip cuts, cross cuts, or a combination of both. Circular saws are commonly powered by electricity. At Sarma Enterprises Ltd, we use this particular saw to split small-sized timber into the required sizes. The sizes are spread between 2 by 1 to 10 by 1 inches. In variants such as the table saw, the saw is fixed and the material to be cut is slowly moved into the saw blade. As each tooth in the blade strikes the material, it makes a small chip. The teeth guide the chip out of the workpiece, preventing it from binding the blade. Thicknesser machine. A thicknesser planer or thicknesser is a woodworking machine to trim boards to a consistent thickness throughout their length and flat on both surfaces. A thickness planer consists of 3 elements: a cutter head, which contains the cutting knives, a set rollers which draw the board through the machine, and a table which is adjustable relative to the cutter head to control the resultant thickness of the board. Industrial thickness planners are capable of accepting very wide boards and removing large amounts of material in a single pass. These machines are driven by powerful motors and are of very heavy construction. In operation, the table is set to the desired height and then the machine is switched on. The board is fed into the machine until it makes contact with the in-feed roller, which grips the board and draws it into the machine and past the rotating cutter head. Drill bits are cutting tools used to create cylindrical holes, almost always of circular cross-section. Drill bits come in many sizes and have many uses. Bits are held in a tool called a drill, which rotates them and provides torque and axial force to create the hole. Crosscut saw. A crosscut saw is a general term for any saw blade for cutting wood perpendicular against the wood grain. Crosscut saws may be large or small, with small teeth close together for fine work like woodworking. The cutting edge of each tooth is angled in an alternating pattern. This design allows each tooth to act like a knife edge and slice through the wood, in contrast to a rip saw, which tears along the grain, acting like a miniature chisel. An air compressor is a device that converts power, usually from an electric motor, into kinetic energy by compressing and pressurizing air, which on command can be released in quick bursts. At Sarma Enterprises Ltd, the compressor is used for blowing out dust from the machines. Service provision is challenging in every day. IT is therefore needed to enhance quality of service, optimize workflows, and improve access to services. Our IT systems play a significant role in realizing these goals. To enhance on security in our daily operations, all our premises, including our warehouses, are installed with CCTV cameras. The company's community social responsibility policy.
Thank you very much for what you have been doing unto us. You have been supporting us. You have been our mom, encouraging us and doing very many things to us. Love you so much. May God bless you for what you are doing to us, and we'll continue praying for you, and we love you so much.
Thank you.
At Sarma Limited, we enjoy a wide base of clients all over Nairobi and beyond. Some of these customers, to mention but a few, are Modulus Interior Limited, Star General Contractors, Jefferson and Sons Limited, Ikigu Enterprises Limited, Reflow Industries, among others.
I represent a company called Reflow Industries. Now for me, I began using Sarma Enterprises a year ago. So I decided to give it a try because I'd been having a bit of trouble with sand delivery, just because It's a very volatile industry. Either you get really bad quality and it's never in the time that you require. So I gave her my first lorry, that was a year ago, and she delivered beautiful sand and the quantities I required and the quality I needed. So this is what we call the waffles, and what they do is they help you create your solid slab. So when good sand like from Sarma comes, or even materials from Sarma comes, these are some of the products that I make. And for me, quality is key, and that is definitely what Sarah stands for and signifies. For me, I am very happy with Sarah. I will definitely give her more business in the years to come, and definitely recommend her to, very strongly especially, to anyone who would require sand materials. Not just sand, but any sort of building materials.
Visit us at Sarma Enterprises Ltd, where our natural products are the best south of Sahara Desert and north of Limpopo River.